Hello and welcome to part 3 of this C# tutorial for teens. In the next few parts we will be talking about operators. First, what is an operator? Operators in C# are types that let you perform basic operations. The first operator we will see is arithmetic. The arithmetic operator in C# allows you to do some basic math. We can add, like we saw before, subtract, multiply, and divide. Let's use the arithmetic operator in Visual Studio. The first operator we will see is addition. First we will make 3 ints, and then make the third one the sum of the first 2 ints. Now if we print in the console, we can see the sum. We can also make the int equal to the difference between the first two ints. Now if we run our program again, we can see the answer in the console. We can also multiply in C#. To do that, we use the multiplication symbol, which is the asterisk. Now if we run our code, we can see the answer in the console. We can also divide in C#. We do this by using the slash symbol. Now if we run our program again, we can see the quotient in of the two ints. Thank you for watching. This has been part 3 of the C# tutorial for teens. Please stay tuned.